Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another topic. Today my topic is you can see here. This is brand wise Hisense brand refrigerator 264 liter. This refrigerator actually not making cool, but lights everything's are working. Fan also evaporator fan everything's are working. But according to the customer, this fridge making noise. That's mean from the backside is huge noise coming. He is hearing the voice noise. Because of that, now I'm going to repair this fridge and I will show you how to repair, and we will go to the next step. Now dear friends, you can see here I will remove water drawer first. We have to remove this one. After that we can easy to check compressor area. Because of that, I'm going to remove this water drawer here. This container I remove already. You can see here this compressor. It is brand wise GMCC. This is 600A. That's mean butane gas, not the inverter compressor, normal compressor. Now I will remove here covers. Terminal cup I will remove. This is actually easy job. If it is compressor gone, we can replace the compressor also. But anyway, first of all we have to check properly. Now I will do one thing. I will give the power connection again. I will check. We can hear the noise. Given power. The PCB board, it's working. It's catching contacting relays. Compressor not getting start. Yes dear. Yes, this is the noise. You can hear the noise. This noise coming from the overload protector. I will remove here. I will show you from where it's coming the noise. This is from the overload protector. I will remove the terminal cup screw also. I will unscrew. After that I can show you. We will remove this cover. It's like that. It will come. It's easy. Sorry. Also I will remove the earth wire also. While we are going to checking, it's easy for us because of that. That noise coming from the compressor, that means it is overload protector. Now it's not again. I will remove a little bit here. I will show you. This is the overload protector. You can see, dear friends, it is very hot still. Now this one still not realize. This one is still, after getting cool, it will come down. Still having. Yes, you hear the noise. Now I will fix again to the compressor. After that I can show you from where is making noise. This tick noise coming from the overload protector only. Again I will give the power connection. I will give the power connection again. Just dear, control PCB board is all the relays are realizing, activating. Yes dear, compressor humming. Now it will come the noise. Yes dear, you can hear the noise. This is from the overload protector. That means it's taking high ampere because of that. Now I will disconnect the power again. I will remove here. Now we will check. Again I can show you this one. While getting cool, it will reactivate. It will come the noise also. That means this overload protector is okay. This is bimetal function with the overload protector. While you can hear the noise, now it is okay. Now we can check the continuity. Now its continuity it will show. Yes, I removed already. Now we can check the continuity. You can see dear friends, this continuity showing now. I can check the PTC relay also showing. You can see dear friends. That's mean PTC relay also okay. Now we will check the compressor continuity. I will check the compressor continuity here. This is the starting. This is starting. You can see here. It is continuity is showing. It's 20. It's showing, and also this is running. It's showing only 50, 15. The compressor is showing actually continuities are okay. No any ground. You can see here. Now I have to confirm this compressor is working or not. Now while we are checking the PTC also okay. Now we will check here first 230 power supplying or not. We will check first that one. We can check. I have to turn here 250 and I will give the power connection again. I have to check 230 power supplying to the compressor or not. Now we will check. Yes, my dear, that's been from the control board through the main control board is power supplying to the compressor, but compressor not getting start. That's mean it is stable power. You can see here it is 230 power already supplying. Now I will disconnect again. Now I will do one thing. I will check separately compressor checking separately. I can check now. I'm using this wire. I'm going to use this power cord. I'm going to check direct check here. This is the running terminal. This is common terminal. Other one is starter. Now I'm going to check direct. Now I will give the power and we will check the compressor. Careful, you have to do this job. And here we will. Now I have to short this terminal. Yes dear, you can see here the compressor is okay actually. You can hear the noise. Compressor is running. That's mean compressor no any problem. Compressor start. Already got compressor start. Yes my dear. That's mean no any issue with the compressor. Anyway, we will do one thing. We will replace this PTC. I will disconnect the power again. While we are checking this PTC, it's showing continuity also. But anyway, we will replace the PTC relay. You can hear. You can see this one. It's showing. You can see here. It's PTC. This old one showing properly. Now I will do one thing. I will replace another PTC. Yes dear, now I am going to replace the PTC relay, another one, because it should be the same, because this is the running, and other side that mean left side it should come starter. This is the running. Now I will replace this one and we will check. I will remove this connector here. Now it's okay. This is overload protector is okay. Now I am going to replace this one. I will do the power connection. I will connect again with the terminal. Yes dear, now I already given power connection. And we will check. Yes my dear, compressor already got start. That's been problem with this PTC relay. Now simply I resolve the complaint. This is problem with the PTC relay. If it is making noise like that, no need to replace unnecessary compressor or any other spare parts. Just simply replace the overload protector, otherwise PTC relay. Navigator is start. My job already complete. I have to refix terminal cup, and here only, that's it only. Now fridge is working properly. Now dear friends, now we can check fridge here. I kept water bottle also. You can see here it is like a smoke. Here it's already, yes, you can see. Now it's already complete my job. Fridge is working fine. No any issue. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.